Testing images of your product at home or in use may inspire the customer to imagine themselves using your product. To test which image is used first when displaying your product, go into your Neat A/B testing dashboard and choose Product Attribute Test. Select the product you want to test in the pop-up window. Now we're going to customize how you would like the product images to appear on your test. Scroll down to images where your product photos are kept. Whichever image is in the first spot will be the primary image for the product and will show up first on collection pages and search results. To remove an image from your test, just click Remove File below the image. You could rearrange the order by grabbing any image and putting it in the desired location. To add a new image, click in the product photo box and a window will pop up for you to select an image directly off of your computer. Then scroll down and select your cycle time, and then you can start your test, save it as a draft to work on later, or schedule a specific start date and time. How easy was that? This has been your Neat A/B Testing 1-Minute Helper.